Hi guys, we are going to be making a watercolor landscape today. You need a watercolor set. It doesn't really matter what kind. We are going to need a cup of water about halfway full with a watercolor brush, and a lot of times those sets come with a brush already. And last, you might need a white crayon, but it's not entirely necessary. So let's go. And I almost forgot, you're going to need watercolor paper. If you don't have watercolor paper, you are welcome to use any kind of paper, but just remember that if it's really thin, you're going to have to be very careful about how much water you use. But watercolor paper is usually a lot heavier, and it allows you to work with water without the paper ripping. And let's get started. Thank you so much for joining me today and painting with me. I can't wait to see what you make. See you soon.